Welcome back, my beautiful people. Now, in this next question, it's going to be easy, and I would like you people to follow me each step. Now, this is what we have on the board, and which is what value of x will make the expression a perfect square. Now, this is the expression we are talking about: x raised to the power 2 minus 12x minus k. Now, for us to solve this particular question, now we need this particular option to solve this question. How do we need this particular option? Now we need this option again to solve this question. Don't ask me how, but let us focus on the question. Now, first of all, we are going to write x raised to the power 2 minus 12x minus, we are going to make use of the first option, minus 36. Minus 36. Now the next thing we are going to do, minus times minus will give you plus. Therefore, we have x raised to the power 2 minus 12x plus 36. Now the next thing we need to do, we need a quadratic equation to solve this question. But I'm not going to make use of quadratic equation. I'm going to make use of factorization. We are going to make use of factorization, whereby we are going to factorize this equation. How do we factorize this? We write x and x. The next thing we need now is we need to find the factors of 36. After finding the factors of 36, out of that factors, we look for what and what are going to add each other to get 12. Now let us go. Now the factors of 36, we are talking about 2. It gives you 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Now we have 4, 2, 9, 6, 18, and 36 as the factor. But out of this, we need what and what we need to add together to get 36, to get 12. And what should we add together to get 12? Now, 9 and 4. If you add 9 and 4, automatically you are going to get 12. You are going to get 12. But how can you get minus 12? Which is minus 9 and minus 4. And this minus 9 times minus 4 will give you plus 36. So now x is equals to 9 when this one cross over 9, and x is equals to 4. Now 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square. So the answer to this question is option A, and some people might be saying it is option B, that option B can go in. But let me show you something. Let me show you something. If you say that option B will go in this question, now if you bring this option B to this particular question, you are going to have here as minus, which is x squared minus 12x minus 36. And after solving, your final answer is going to be minus 9 and minus 4. Now putting this minus 9 and minus 4 back to the expression, we are going to fill the question, which is, now if I put 9 and 4 back to this expression, automatically I'm going to get a perfect square. How? Now let me use 4. Now 4, because we say that x is 4, 4 raised to the power 2 minus 12x plus, because of this one, plus 36. Plus 36. So now it's going to give you 16. 16 is 12 times 4. Here is going to be times 4. 12 times 4 will give you 48 plus 36. Now, when you minus all these things, you are still going to get 4. And if you put 9 back in this particular expression, you are still going to get 9. Therefore, our final answer to this question is option A. Now, if you like what we did in this question, what you are going to do for me is to click on the follow button, click on the subscribe button, click on the share button. See you in my next video. Remember to click on that subscribe button for me.